Dekor Classic Diaper Pail Biodegradable Refills by Dekor is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Dekor Classic Biodegradable Refills break down more quickly than ordinary refills. As defined in ASTM 1991, a biodegradable plastic is defined as a degradable plastic in which the degradation results from the action of naturally occurring microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and algae. Each Dekor refill is one long continuous liner with no preset perforations or size, which means you can empty as often as you want, whether it's after one particularly stinky change, or when the pail is totally stuffed, and use only what you need. Emptying the pail is super easy. Simply cut the refill with the kid-safe cutter located inside the access door, discard, and tie a new knot in the remaining bag. Dekor Classic Biodegradable Refills are made of 20% recycled materials and infused with a fresh baby powder scent that helps neutralize odors. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 990 newborn diapers. Biodegradable alternative to ordinary refills. Use with Dekor Classic hands-free diaper pail. No preset perforations or bag size. Empty as often as you want, use only as much refill as needed. New end-of-liner marking, helpful reminder before you run out. Fresh powder scent helps neutralize odors. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 990 newborn diapers.